No.
No, ma'am.
I'm just telling about one series here, so you can try. Till then, you can try yourself, and then after that, after making that particular list, confirming that list, then I will continue with you. Okay. Beta, what is Fibonacci series? Basically, a particular series is just like this. Okay, firstly, the first two elements will be 0, then 1. The next element will be the sum of the previous two numbers. It means 0, 1. Then 0 plus 1 equals to 1.
1.
Previous two, 1 plus 1 equals to
2.
2 plus 1 equals to 3. 3 plus 2, 5.
5.
ठीक है? Then 8 so on. Okay, this way it will be your Fibonacci series. So I want to print that series. I want to print that series. Okay, so you can continue with the, kindly try and put your logics, because we have already discussed about the for loop and the while loop and the if else statement also. You can try with your own logic. Till then I'm just, then I will continue with you. Okay, if there will be any problem, I will continue with you. I'm just confirming about your list. Is this okay? Sorry, मैंने शेयर तो किया नहीं आपके साथ स्क्रीन. Wait. Is this visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो बता क्यों नहीं रहे हो? Shared भी नहीं था screen. Okay, so according to the 0, then 1, the next number will be 0 plus 1 equals to 1, 1 plus 1 equals to 2, 2 plus 1 equals to 3, 3 plus 2 equals to 5, 5 plus, so on. ठीक है? That firstly you need to design the algorithm according to that. That you first you will ask from the user that up to which number you want. Up to which number you want the Fibonacci series. Okay? Then after that you will continue that. Kindly try to put your own logic. Then is it clear now? Just you should try and think. Okay, then we will continue. Don't worry. इसको मैं मिनिमाइज करती हूँ. Yeah. If anyone names is not here, so kindly confirm it. So I will check from the another list also, right? I will check from the given list. जो बच्चे present है उसमें से हम देख लेते हैं. 31 have joined, right? चलो इसी लिस्ट में मैं आज अटेंडेंस आपके ले लेती हूँ, क्योंकि वो वाली लिस्ट में तो दूसरा
मैम गौतम कुमार का नाम नहीं है.
हाँ, रुक जा, वेट कर, फिर बाद में मुझे बताना. दूसरे लिस्ट में होगा ना, ये अनसॉर्टेड मेरे पास दूसरी लिस्ट है एक्चुअली. वो लिस्ट में दूसरे लैपटॉप में है. एनीवे, जिसका नहीं है मुझे बता दें, सॉर्टेड लिस्ट हो जाएगी. यस, आकांक्षा शर्मा इज हियर.
प्रेजेंट मैम.
आरव ग्रेवाल इज हियर. ग्रेवाल, आरव ग्रेवाल, वो तो इसी क्लास में है ना. आरव ग्रेवाल, आई एम जस्ट मार्किंग द डन. आफ्टर दैट आई विल डाउनलोड योर लिस्ट. ठीक है, अभी मैं ये देख रही हूँ कि हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर हियर. एक मिनट रुको, इसको प्रेजेंट हटाते हैं. ये देखो. Okay, I'm just writing. Arav Grewal is also in this class. Arav Sharma, Agnish, that Agnish also? Okay, Ashwarya is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshita is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Aman Tomar is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Anshika is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Arumita.
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavya Mishra. Yes. This one. Sorry, Ayush Sharma. Ayush Sharma. Ayush Sharma. Okay. Bhavya Mishra. Taman Ahuja.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Devansh Parthi.
Present, ma'am.
Drishan Malik.
Present, ma'am.
Galaxy.
Present, ma'am.
Gautam Kakkar.
Present, ma'am.
Jayant.
Present, ma'am.
Right. एक मिनट. कनक यादव. कनक यादव. कनक तो है इसमें.
Ma'am, present, ma'am. Somebody remove me.
कुंजल. कुंजल. रक्षा बंसल.
Present, ma'am.
Binoy.
Present, ma'am.
प्रज्ञा. प्रज्ञा. ऋषभ गिरसा.
Present, ma'am.
साहिल बेस्ट.
Present, ma'am.
संकेत.
Present, ma'am.
शाश्वत. शाश्वत तिवारी. शिवान सिंह देसवाल.
Present, ma'am.
प्रिया मिश्रा.
Shashwat present.
Present, ma'am.
सिद्धांत शर्मा.
Present, ma'am.
सिद्धांत जैन. सिद्धार्थ जैन. Siddharth Jain. If someone mic is not working, then they can write in the chat also. Vani Arya.
Ma'am, Vani Arya present.
Vanshika.
Ma'am, Shashwat present.
Wait. Shashwat is also one. Then someone please check the chat also.
Ma'am, Pragya present.
Pragya present, okay.
Ma'am, Kunjal.
Is this visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Now I will ask questions from everyone regarding to my related topics. Okay? उस बच्चे को फिर मैं खुद रिमूव करूंगी in case if you are unable to understand that particular point, whatever we are discussing in our class, okay, I will remove them. And from the next class,
Ma'am,
will
can
not
you
be
discuss
present.
the question you gave?
Just a second. Okay, in the last classes we discussed about that, I think. ठीक है कि 4 are in range 4 to 5. What will be the outer limit there?
Ma'am, 4.
4.
And it will start from 3. It will start from 3 and 4. There will be the two answers. Am I right, Anshika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So I want that key. It was in the reverse order, to present the data in the reverse order. If we want to present the data in the reverse order from 5 to up to which limit? Akshita, you tell me. 5 to?
Ma'am, 4.
5 to 4. Right. 3 will be excluded. Outer limit will be excluded. Why it is coming from the reverse order? In the reverse order? Why it is giving in the reverse order? Devansh Parthi?
Ma'am, it has gap minus
Devansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Why it is giving in the reverse order?
Ma'am, because we have written -1 there.
-1 there, exactly. We have written -1 there. Okay, so I want it. Kindly find the sum of even and odd numbers separately. Can you do that? From a list, you can you do this? Using for loop, okay, you need to accept the list range, list in the sense, you need to accept. It will ask the elements again and again. Okay? Enter the number, enter the number, enter the number. After that, it will check it whether this is your even number or odd numbers. Then separately, it will find the odd number sum and the even number sum. Can you do that?
Ma'am, can we ask the user for a list or range?
It will ask from the users the different numbers.
The question.
Ma'am, can we ask for the range at once?
Are you able to do that?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Using the for loop, you need to enter the elements, and out of all these elements, you will find the sum of odd and even numbers separately. Is there the question clear?
Ma'am, can we use for loop inside if?
For entering the data. Do it fast. And you need to try that one also, which is given on the screen. What is this? What is this? Can we discuss just wait for a second? Can we discuss that point also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Fruits. Okay, we are taking a group here. It means we are taking a group here. What is the name of that group? Fruits. Okay, this is the list. Basically, we will discuss about that. There is a different chapter in your book. The name is list. Okay, then later we will discuss about the chapter list also in our Python. Okay, but it is giving some introduction about it, so no issues. We can discuss that point also. This is what is list? Basically a group of elements, group of numbers, group of strings. That is called the list. Okay, then what is the name of that group? The name of that group is fruits. The name of that group is fruits. There is a group of banana, apple and mango. There is the 3 strings. What is this? Is this integer or the strings?
String.
String.
What is string? What is string?
Anything that is written in inverted commas.
Inverted comma, anything that is written in the good, very good. In the inverted comma, okay. Then a set of characters also you can see. Okay, the set of characters and the combination of characters and integers also. Okay, which is written in the quotation mark. Okay, that will be become your string. Banana, apple और mango आपका हो गया for index. For index, what is this index? Let's say I am just putting my for loop there for I in range. We were doing the same thing in our previous question. I in range we were giving here. Okay, so what is the initial value of I? What is the initial value of I? 5, because the range is starting from the 5. Range is starting from the 5, so that's why the I's values is 5. Okay, if we are writing I in range 10, if I'm writing I in range 10, what will be the initial value of the I? It will start from 0.
0.
अगर मैं bracket में instead of this, if I'm writing, समझ लो, let's say I'm writing for I in range, in the bracket I'm writing 5 only. So what will be the outer limit and the lowest limit there? It will start from 0 up to 4. It will start from 0 up to 4. Okay? Are you getting my point? If I'm writing for I in range 5, 5 only I'm giving. So what will be the lowest bound here? 0 to 4. क्योंकि आप पर जो bound होता है वो which is given in the bracket and that will be excluded. Okay? तो यहाँ पर क्या है? It is starting, okay. Instead of I, it is putting index. We can put I also in that. For I in range, no issues. You can put I also. So don't be confused in this that what is index, ma'am. Okay, instead of index, you can put I also here. So for I in range, length of the fruits. What is the length of the fruits? How many elements there?
3.
3.
Okay, so length of the fruits, length of that group, length of that list is 3. So for index in range 3, so what will be the value? From 0 to 2. 0 to 2. So from the very starting, the banana will be at 0, then apple will be at 1, and mango will be at 2. Okay, so it is starting from 0, 1, 2. How many elements are here? How many elements? 3. So from the 0 to 2, how many elements are here? 0, 1, 2. Total कितना होगा? 3. But it will start it from 0. क्योंकि initial जो array की values होती है, जो एक list की values होती है, वो कहाँ से start होती है? 0 से start होती है. तो इसलिए जो उसकी length होती है, वो एक पहले assume करके चलता है, उसको exclude कर देता है. But if we are calculating the length of a list, तो जितने भी आपके values होंगे, जैसे 1, 2, 3, तो 3 will be the length here. 3 will be the length here. Is this okay? Is this okay? Now, it is in the print statement, it is giving fruits here. Current fruit is given in the quotation mark. So as it is, it will be print. Is this okay? As it is print होगा ना? लेकिन जो fruits index है, what will be the value of index? Tell me. It is in that for loop.
First banana, then apple, then mango.
हाँ, क्योंकि इंडेक्स की पहली वैल्यू क्या है? 0. तो at the 0th place, which value is here? Banana. The index value, the second value will be 1. So at first position, what will be the value in the fruits? Apple. At second position, the value will be mango. Is this clear? So kindly do it in your computers. Do it fast.
Ma'am, send.
Send. Okay, I'm going to check that. Okay, now another question I gave about it, that you need to input a list and then after that find the sum of odd and even numbers here. So kindly do that also. Yeah. Fruits, banana, apple and orange. The date is given there. Is this okay? In the same manner you need to do in your computer. All of you, please do the practice without wasting your time in the other things. Kindly do your work. Shivansh Singh has also sent. Lakshya Bansal has sent. Yes, I want data from everyone. Yeah. Do the programs and kindly send the answers fast. And with the next class, kindly keep your pen paper with your book also. Okay, we will follow the book also of class 11. Arav Sharma is also done. Who have done this question, kindly do the next question. Whatever I'm saying, ki using the for loop, you need to input the values, input the elements, and after that you need to find the sum of odd and even numbers separately. Is this okay?
Ma'am, I have already done the odd and even number when I have sent.
Okay, who is this?
Shashwat.
Shashwat, I'm just checking it. Wait. Shivansh, Arav, Lakshya, Kanak. Okay, Shashwat Tiwari. Yeah, this one. Okay,
Yes,
fine. Yeah. You have written in the for loop, beta. Have you done that already? Have you learned about the Python from somewhere?
no, ma'am.
Okay. Good.
Can you help us with the second question?
Which question?
Ma'am, to find the sum of odd and even numbers.
Sum of odd. Okay. Can you find the sum of odd and even numbers using if else, first of all? Are you able to do that? Tell me fast.
Might try doing it, but it's not showing the sum.
This is Kanak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no issues. Okay, show me your screen. Share the screen, Kanak.
Ma'am, can you make me the presenter?
Yeah. एक मिनट, I'm just stop sharing it. Or give the, you can give the screenshot in the chat option also.
Ma'am, done.
एक मिनट कनक, एक मिनट आ गया नाम, कनक is yeah कनक, you are presented now. Who is this?
Ma'am, is it visible? Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, you are visible now.
Ma'am, it is not showing the sum, but
Enter number I equals to 0 for I in range 0, comma. देखो सबसे पहले first of all using for loop only on the with the help of single loop, you need to enter the different values. It will ask the numbers again and again. आप सबसे पहले एक काम करो, first of all design a program to input the it will ask the any 10 numbers from the user, right? It will ask from any 10 number from the user. Are you able to do that? Okay, just wait. Stop sharing now. Stop sharing. I'm just sharing my screen. See, first of all, how can you input the 10 numbers from the user? बताओ, ये देखो, for input a single element from the user, what will you write? For input a single element from the user, what will you write?
ma'am, A is equal to
A equals
input.
in, am I right?
Integer.
Right? The condition
Input.
like this, in this way. But for inputting multiple elements from the user, what will you write? Let's say I want to input 10 numbers or 4 numbers from the user. Is this okay? If we want to input the 10 numbers from the user, ठीक है? तो आप क्या करोगे? What will you write?
Yes, ma'am, this 111.
Is this okay? आप इसी तरीके से लोगे? Then after that you need to put if and else statement there. आप if else की statement लगाओगे if that particular number inside to that only. ठीक है? कि if that number, if A is equals to which one? EA modulus, it is like this. Half portion I am doing, half portion you need to do. If A, sorry. If A, right, modulus you will put. 2 is equals to 0. What is the meaning of that statement?
And that it's even.
That is even.
Divisible by
ठीक है? If this is even, that particular number is even, तो sum equals to sum plus A. Else, in the else statement, you will give the sum 1, sum even and sum odd. The two separate variable you can take. Sum even and sum odd. I think We have already discussed this program also. Sum even equals to 0. Sum odd equals to 0. Then if I in range 1 to 10 input karwaoge, if this one is true, then we need to write according to that sum even equals to sum plus n equals to कर दो, plus n equals to a. a उसमें plus हो जाएगा. Otherwise sum odd plus n equals to a. According to that, inside to that loop, you need to print the values again and again. Are you able to continue with this program? Kindly continue that and do it now. First input the 10 numbers from the user, and then after that using if else inside to that 4, you need to check which one is even, which one is odd, calculate the sum of odd and even numbers separately. Is this clear or not?
मैम सम ऑफ इवन मतलब क्या हुआ? सम इवन इज इक्वल्स टू 0.
Sum even equals to 0, it means you are taking 2 location there. आपने 2 रूम ले लिए हैं अलग अलग. ठीक है कि आप सबसे पहले 4 नंबर को क्या करोगे, आप चेक करोगे कि फर्स्ट नंबर आपने लिया, फर्स्ट नंबर को फिर चेक किया, अगर वो नंबर इवन है तो इवन के अंदर स्टोर कर दिया, प्लस करवा दिया. अदरवाइज okay, you are adding the separate number. If this number is not even, it means that is odd. So you are adding that number in the another variable there. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, I'm just making it comment now. Wait. ये तो आप continue करोगे. Okay, then in the next class, don't worry, we will discuss about that also. But you need to continue that and submit the output there in the chat option of the same meeting. ठीक है? अब ये देखो, अगर मैंने एक number लिया, let's say I'm taking a particular number here. Number, let's say 4 लिया. Okay. Is this okay? Then after that, I'm just checking it कि if A, यही तो करते हैं आप कि 2 is equals to अगर 0 है, okay, तो क्या करवा देते हो? Print ही तो करवाते हो क्या? कि this is even. Only for single number. Here I'm taking some list. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? List ले रहे हैं. For I in range 1 to 10. It is 10 numbers we are asking from the user. Then first number उसने लिया. After that, according to that, leave it now. ये देखो. Here it is asking the 10 numbers from the user. First number it is checking. Let's say you are taking 4. Then after that, accepting 4 in A, then it will check कि A is divisible by 2. A is divisible by 2. No, it is not divisible. Yes.
Son, N or M?
A. A is there, na?
No, ma'am, in that first line and second line, sum or son, and it seems to be N because.
SUM is given, my dear.
Okay.
Some even and some odd is given here. You need to take your own variable. Are you continuing that, these students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you should continue that. But I'm sharing that also. Wait. Do it fast. It is 9:51. Do it fast. there anyone who have done?
Ma'am, only program finished game.
Hmm? See, is this visible to all? Take the screenshot, all of you. Whatever I'm writing here. Take the screenshot or you can note down fast. Do practice again and again. I'm saying, whenever you're joining the class, only you're listening, but at home you're not doing practice. Okay? Ye dekho. Kindly one student please send the screenshot of that 10 number it is asking, then after that it is giving the sum of that number also. Okay? Odd and even numbers separately. Is this fine? Is this okay?
Is showing a error.
Which one? My program? Do according to that what is
I sent the screenshot.
no issues. Do according to that, na? Whatever I'm just sharing with you. Do according to that, whatever I'm sharing with you. Take the screenshot. इसका फोटो क्लिक करके एक बच्चा ग्रुप पे भी डाल दो जरा फटाफट. Send it there. Shana, I don't want phone. Give me the phone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
मैम आपने जो if वाली स्टेटमेंट बनाई है ना, if a, मैम a और 2 के बीच में क्या लगा हुआ है, दिख नहीं रहा होगा.
A or 2 modular symbol is there, percent sign.
अच्छा, okay.
I'm just sending the screenshot in your group. Wait. एक मिनट अगर ये जाता है तो बेटा इलाज कर लिया करो ना थोड़ा सा स्क्रीन. ये देखो it is already given in your group also, so you can take help from there also. Is this okay? I send that in your group. Can I close this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I sent it in your group also. Okay, kindly do practice of all these kind of questions. I will send another questions also in your group. Okay, in your Saturday, Sunday, kindly do practice of all if else, for and while related question. Then I will start the nested loop. Okay, because the basic concept should be clear. So that's why after that only I can share the another information with you. Okay, fine. Now you can leave.
Ma'am, can you check my program, please? It is showing some indented block is supposed to be there.
Just a second. Kanak, who is this?
Ma'am, Vani.
Vani. एक मिनट. वानी आ रही है.
Syntax error.
हाँ, एक मिनट देख के बताती हूँ बेटा. E equals to 0, 0, I in range 11, int. देखो, here, int, you are giving it separately कि there is something, I think, Vani, int और input के बीच में हमने कुछ merge किया हुआ है, कुछ लिखा हुआ है. That is the error there. And number two, indentation error is also here. If you are writing something in if, ये देखो मैम ने कैसे किया है कि जब मैम ने if स्टार्ट किया है तो नीचे जो कंटेंट लिखा हुआ है उसमें स्पेस दिया हुआ है. You are not giving spaces there, Vani. So that's why I'm saying कि मैम का जो मैंने अभी भेजा है उसको फॉलो करो. This one, ठीक है, जो आपके ग्रुप पर भेजा है. देखो, you can check that कि after writing if there, I'm just giving some space. That is called indentation. Actually, what is the main problem with the students? Actually, they're writing the program, they're learning the concept, but they're not following the rule of indentation. Okay, so give the spaces.
Yes,
कि अगर हम for start कर रहे हैं तो space दे रहे हैं, if start कर रहे हैं तो space दे रहे हैं. Give the spaces also there. Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. You can leave now.
Ma'am, please see my. I have sent it on WhatsApp.
हाँ, WhatsApp पे आप मुझे चेक कर दो, भेज दो, फिर मैं देखती हूँ उस चीज को. भव्या भारद्वाज.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो भव्या, आगे से बेटा टीम्स की चैट पर ही भेजना, WhatsApp पे नहीं भेजेंगे आप लोग. पर्सनल चैट
Okay,
पर भेज
ma'am.
सकते हैं. Okay, you can send me in the personal chat also.
Vanshika present.
ये Bhavya, hash is not the valid symbol here. I am writing %sign. मैंने आपको WhatsApp पे ग्रुप पे भेजा ना, उसको देखो मैम ने क्या लिखा है. Again and again I'm saying the same thing. उसको enlarge करके देखो मैंने क्या लिखा हुआ है. % symbol is given there. You are writing hash.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry.
समझ आया? हाँ, ठीक है. चलो.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Vanshika present.
Okay, Vanshika, I have already downloaded your attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
You can leave fast. I have my another class now.
मैम आपने अटेंडेंस अभी ली थी या पहले ली थी?
Beta, I have downloaded